Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that current flow through the circuits is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. I is equal to V upon R means current flow in the circuit is equal to voltage, which is 5.4, divided by resistance is 5.7. Then by using Ohm's law, current flow through the circuit is 0.947 ampere. To find proof of this equation, we perform the practical experiment. Like, firstly we are going to find out current to voltage relation by using the practical experiment. Firstly, we take the 6-volt battery and connect the 3 ohm resistance and measure the current flow through the resistance is 2 ampere. If we increase the battery voltage keeping the resistance constant, then current flow through the resistance is 4 ampere. If we increase the voltage again, then current flow through the circuit is 8 ampere. So if we look at the three diagrams together, then we can easily say that as the voltage increases, current flow through the circuit also increases. Initially 6-volt battery 2 ampere current, then 12-volt battery 4 ampere current, and then 24-volt battery and 8 ampere current. So as the voltage increases, current also increases. Voltage is directly proportional to the current. Then we are going to find out the relation between current and resistance by using another experiment. In this experiment we are connecting the 3 ohm resistance to the 6-volt battery and measure the current. Current is 2 ampere. Then we increase the resistance. So here we have connected 6-volt battery and 6 ohm resistance. Then current flow through the resistance is 1 ampere, and when we take 6-volt battery and 12 ohm resistance, then flow through the circuit is 0.5 ampere. So if we looked all the three diagrams, we can easily say that as the resistance increases, current is decreases. So resistance is inversely proportional to the current. We have find out two equation. V is directly proportional to I, R is inversely proportional to current. So we rearrange this second equation. Current is this side and R is this side, so current is inversely proportional to the resistance. Then by using this equation and this equation, we can write I is directly proportional to the V and I is inversely proportional to the resistance. We are combining these two equations. So I is equal to V upon R, that is V equal to IR. This equation is useful in most of the electronic circuit to find out the current, or to find out the resistance value, or to find out the voltage. Voltage divider rule. Voltage divider rules is used to divide or reduce the large voltage into small voltage. The voltage divider rule consists of two resistors. Input is applied to the two resistance and output is taken in between the two resistance. Here two resistance are connected in series. So total resistance is R is equal to R1 plus R2. Then current flow through the circuit is from positive to resistance R1, then to resistance R2, then negative terminal of battery. Current is flow in this loop. So current flow in this circuit I equal to, by using Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. is equal to V divided by R is R1 plus R2. So I is equal to V upon R1 plus R2. Now we are considering that voltage across R1 is V1 and voltage across R2 is V2. Then by using Ohm's law we can find out the voltage across this R1 resistor V1 equal to I into R1 and voltage across R2 which is V2 equal to I into R2. Put the value of I that we calculated here in this equation, we get V divided by R1 plus R2 into R2. So final equation is V out equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into V. Here we take one practical example of voltage divider rule. We have connected 15-volt battery to the two resistors R1 and R2 and output is taken across this R1 resistance. So initially input voltage is 15 and at the output we get 7.5 volt, means voltage is decreased by using voltage divider rule. So we can find out the voltage by using voltage divider rule. So it is equal to R1, because we are taking voltage across this resistance, R1 divided by total resistance R1 plus R2 into input voltage V, which is 10 divided by 10k plus 10k into 15 volt equal to 1 by 2 into 15 equal to 7.5 volt. So you can divide the voltage by using voltage divider rule. Next is Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law tells that current entering the node means where two or more branches connected together, that point is called as node point. The current entering in the node is equal to current leaving the node, means I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to I4 plus I5. Thank you.